Welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news, Bafwetu. Khanyisa Mayo will be available for Kaizer Chiefs next match of CAF Confederations Cup. Why? Because they have a deadline to submit their squad until the 30th of September. So CAF open the new registration for the new round of CAF confederations for every team to obviously to fix their team, to add some of the players that didn't make it last time, and yeah, possibly Kaiser Chiefs. Kaiser Chiefs will 100% add Mayo to their squad because he's needed. And I interviewed different people, and they want Mayo to be there because of the disappointment of Silva, but it's not that bad. But I will get to him. But right now, I just want to focus on Mayo. Well, it's a different football of it's a different stage for CAF football. Why? Because the prelim rounds they're done and then they're going to a different stage, so they can submit their players. There's a new deadline. But yeah, the profile of Kanyisa Mayo obviously was signed from the CR, and he's a proven goal scorer. I mean, local football and internationally, one of the top goal scorers 2 seasons back at the what is this team? Cape Town City is. So he brings different experience for Kaizer Chiefs. He played on a continental level, so he knows how to play in different countries and traveling. He brings that experience to Kaizer Chiefs squad. He brings the power and the sharpness. I think he'll get there, but he's not there yet in terms of the match fitness, but he will get there. The coach confirmed that he's not match fit to play 90 minutes, but yeah, he's with the squad, he's busy. I think I will do well for Kaiser Chiefs once he gets his groove right. Once he gets like the mojo and everything in terms of like linking up with Kaiser Chiefs players. But yeah, he's a striker that is versatile enough, could be used as a winger. Second striker, falls number 9, can collect the ball from the midfielders because he's comfortable on the ball. He's not like your traditional number 9. Ukuthi kumele aqedelela amabhola nje kuphela. No, he's versatile. So it means that he's priceless. Amakhosi, obviously, they currently, well, when I'm saying currently, I'm tracking back to a couple of games where they create opportunities, but they don't take those opportunities. Yesterday, they went to penalties, and penalties they are unpredictable. You never know what will transpire with penalties. But yeah, like enough, Kaizer Chiefs, they were able to get results. It's not easy to get results, obviously, but yeah, man. Lucky enough, they got away with missing golden opportunities. Mayo is needed because why? They need a reliable striker. They have Silva. He played yesterday. We saw what happened. What happened? So we won't get deep into Silva. We're just gonna focus on Mayo. In terms of the continental level, so Mayo played what is this nation? Algeria, CR team, continental level. Obviously, we saw him at CAF Champions League, so he's super experienced and he's a natural finisher. I mean, at time because he plays with his left foot, but he can also score with the right foot. We saw even last game when he finished the ball, he had to kick it with his right foot because the defender was there. So it was very close for a defender to kick that ball. But Mayo reacted quickly. You don't give him, like, he also scores like half chances. You don't give him an opportunity around the box, otherwise he will punish you. So he's needed, especially on the continental level going forward, as they plan to conquer Africa, the Confederations Cup side of things. But yeah, it's a big cup because they are big, one of the biggest teams on the continental level. They're also there. They are competing. They want to win this season. They want to make sure that they get results for their teams. The quality of Mayo would be that he played for different teams. The first time he was introduced to professional football, I think it's the first time, was playing for Supersport United, but things didn't go right. But now he's at Kaizer Chiefs. He's following his father's footsteps. His father played for Supersport. He also played for Supersport, played for Kaizer Chiefs, and also playing now for Kaizer Chiefs. So, I mean, there's firepower when Mayo is there in terms of like his presence, the versatility that I spoke about. You'll never know what he will do the next time when he has the ball. Also, he's a set piece quality player. He can score outside the box from free kick, direct free kick. You know, it's dangerous. Um, it's Man, he's a player. He could be another weapon for Kaiser Chiefs as they wanna unleash all their strikers or all their forwards in terms of like getting those goals, because what they need the most is goals. That's it. They need goals. You, as I said, Mayo has already played in pressure situation at the club level and international level. I remember I was selected for Bafana Bafana. With that experience, obviously, is vital going into the CAF football, where some environments are hostile, but he was able to, to handle it all. Those away tough games, they are enormous in South Africa. Not in South Africa, in the African football, to be hostile. So if you can survive that, I think, because more than anything, continental football is a mental game more than just us seeing the players inside the field of play. There are so many things that you have to, to adapt to in order to be a success overall. But a big question is that will he be able to deliver for Kaiser Chiefs? Because there's them sort of a big pressure for Kaiser Chiefs to deliver results. We know like the fans are reactive. You cannot afford to not convert the opportunities that you get. I see like Silva. When you look at the case of Silva, he the way he played, like missing two golden opportunities. If he continues like this or like that for the next three games, then he's gonna face a big problem from Kosi Fanatics. So it's important for any striker who's given an opportunity to play for Kaiser Chiefs to to give their all and to play a game like it's a cup final. Because there are moments where you look at Kaiser Chiefs and you're like, are they a threat to the opposition or they just playing for vibes? I get that playing for vibes when I look at Mtutuzi Shabalala. I'm like, okay, this one is playing for vibes. But I can always get better, man. He can always get better and greater. I mean, he's young, but I mean, time waits for no one. He has to bring it now. Kanyisa Maya is expected to change things at Kaiser Chiefs immediately. I mean, the good thing is that he started Kaiser Chiefs' career with a goal. So I mean, yeah, right path. Continental football, they need him. They really need him. He's gonna play a big role for Kaiser Chiefs overall. We wish him all the best. Thank you for it.